Hey guys, Garfarm back here with another episode, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Xbox. So, camera angle. Sweet. Well, you can probably see me just fine. Good. I'm going to be showing you how to clean your Xbox. My Xbox is acting very slow, so this is one way to speed up your Xbox in a very short amount of time. So first and foremost, you want to okay, hold on, let me just put this all back. Sorry about that. Inconvenience. Okay. Small photos. You got the Xbox like this. Usually it's like people have it like this or a side like that. Okay. You just wanna flip it over like this or flip it from like this to like this. And if you look very closely, there will be a little hatch here you can just pull back and then just open. And this is for your hard drive, hard disk drive. Unless you want to just clean that out, you don't really use. You want to grab a cobweb, whatever these are, Q-tip, I think, yeah. Pop this off, make sure it's all clean over. And just clean every little slot. Because remember, this is the filter basically. This is where all this dust and everything comes out here. And yeah, small amount of dust or whatever, but whatever, just clean it. Clean everything, even this one. Just pop open the clean and okay, now you got this. Okay, so you got certain parts that are dirty like this. You got the inside right here. You got everything. You got this right here. You got this, all this, everything. Okay, you just want to start doing it piece by piece. Freaking have better results here. That's very nasty. See that black spot? That is dust. That causes your Xbox to go slow, or whenever it's reading a disc, causes it to go slow. Sorry I haven't been making a lot of videos every day, daily. It's because I don't really have the time anymore. I'll try to make videos daily again. Yeah. It's everything into this cover. Just want to see. There's one I suggest about not many Q-tips. That's how dirty your Xbox is. If your Xbox is really dirty, I would suggest about 4. If your Xbox is just minor dirty, I suggest about like 2 or 3. Depends. Yeah. Alright. This is turning in, and hopefully tomorrow I come back with some fishing tips. See you guys tomorrow. See you in the next video. Next time. I don't know when, but tomorrow, yeah.